In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request control in Microsoft Teams. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Teams and joining the prepared meeting. Head over to teams.microsoft.com in your browser, or launch the Teams desktop app if you have it installed. Once Teams is open, locate and open the prepared meeting link from your setup. In my case, the meeting is called Control Test, but yours may have a different name. If Teams asks how you want to join the meeting, click Continue on this browser, or alternatively, click Join on the Teams app, depending on your preference. You'll now see the pre-join screen. From here, you can turn your camera or microphone off if needed before entering. When you're ready, click Join Now, which you'll find in the lower right area of the pre-join screen. Now let's request control of the shared screen. Wait until the presenter's shared window fills the meeting stage so you can see their content clearly. Move your pointer over the shared content area, and this will bring up the meeting toolbar. In that toolbar above the shared content, click Request Control. If your version of Teams shows Take Control instead, go ahead and click Take Control. If a confirmation prompt appears on your screen, click Request to send the request through. Next, let's confirm that the presenter approves the request. Wait for the presenter to approve your control request from their side. Look for the control status message, or a change in the toolbar, which indicates that control is now active. Once that happens, click inside the shared editable window. Now let's make one small edit through shared control. Click just after the existing shared text in the presenter's window so your cursor is positioned correctly. Then type your short test edit. In my case, I'll type Requested Control Works. After typing, confirm that the new text actually appears in the presenter's shared window. It's time to release control. Move your pointer back over the Teams meeting toolbar. In the toolbar, click Release Control. If your Teams window says Stop Control instead, click Stop Control. Click inside the shared window once more and confirm that you are no longer editing the presenter's screen. You've successfully requested control in Microsoft Teams. The presenter approved it, and your test edit appeared on their shared screen. Control is released, so the presenter has full control again. Congratulations!